Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into the Denim Redhead. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today's video is going to be pretty short. I want to kind of explain one of the features of FabFitFun and do a very teeny tiny unboxing with you. So if you're interested in doing that, then please keep watching. So I'm feeling very fall today. I don't know if you can tell, but I've got like the magenta lip on. March Beauty Word. So Samantha March is doing a Sam Squad search, and you basically do a word search and pick out the first two brands you see are the ones that you use on your face. So what I used on my face was the ColourPop So Jaded Kathleen Lights collab and the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. So I actually did a full face of the Diamond and Blush palette. I'll link that video up above, but I really enjoy this. I think it's fun. It's very fall. Don't judge what my hair is doing today. I have no idea. It's not within my control. But this is all about FabFitFun. So FabFitFun is a subscription. You can receive a box every quarter for a full like FabFitFun box. I believe it's $59.99 if I'm not mistaken. But if you sign up for the annual subscription, I think it's a little bit less if you do like the lump sum payment, just like everybody else. But the really fun thing about FabFitFun is that it opens you up to the community. So when you subscribe, you get newsletters. You know, when COVID hit, they had really great inspiring things to do at home. They had a subscription to like fitness and cooking, and you could do like at-home yoga workouts for free. So I think it's definitely worth it. The quality of the things in the box is for sure worth it as far as the actual box itself. But today I'm not doing a full like quarter box unboxing. I already did that. So if you'd like to check out the fall box, boom, boom, you know what to do. And what I'm doing today is kind of, we have a cat fight going on back here, so my apologies. But what I'm doing today is showing you one of the perks of being subscribed. So I'll grab that. So one of the perks of being subscribed to the FabFitFun is that you get like fall edit sales. So every time there's a new quarter, there's always going to be sales on different products, different name brand things that maybe you would want to pick up, but they're at a heavily discounted price. So it comes in this box here, which looks just like the FabFitFun box itself. Honestly, this is going to be fun for both of us because I try to do these and like surprise myself in a sense, and oftentimes this is a really great time to pick up gifts for people. So if there are any gifts, I'm not going to show you those, but I'll show you if there are other things. Okay, so I got two things in this box. It does say, does this box look more familiar? So, or does this box look familiar? I was like, I think I've gotten this one before. So in an effort to be more environmentally conscious, they're upcycling excess past boxes. So I love that. I'm all about recycling, and Lord knows I have enough boxes right now to freaking fill up an entire recycling bin. So I love that they're conscious of their environmental footprint. So I got two things. I got the Pure Heals by Nature Village Pore Clearing Black Charcoal Eye Patches. So there are 60 in here, and it was a super good deal. And it doesn't tell me the prices, sorry, but I want to say I don't tend to spend more than like $11 or $12 on these things, just because, you know, you're already paying like quarterly. I just try to keep it cost effective. So you get 60 eye patches. I've been blowing through these bad boys, but this is the packaging here. And this is not a brand I've used before, but I love eye patches, and I feel like, this is interesting. I don't think this is an eye patch. Okay, there's a little spatula here. I hope there's some instructions because this is not what I was expecting. It's in Chinese. Okay. So, that's always fun. I was totally expecting like actual under the eye patches, but okay. It is a liquid that I think you scoop and put under your eyes. Okay, well, some of the liquid came out because I didn't know it was liquid, but it smells really nice, so that's exciting. But I will have to let you guys know, just because this is not what I was expecting. So that's interesting. Okay, there's words here. With charcoal powder and botanical extracts, this hydrating eye contour hydrogel patch hydrates the skin and helps remove the look of fine lines and dark circles. Let me open it again. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, it's eye patches. It's just very gelatiny and they're in liquid, so you have to peel them apart, I think. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's exciting. So it is what I was expecting. It's just I have not seen them. They're black eye packages or black eye patches in a black container. So it just looked like a lump of liquid. Okay, cool. I don't really know what the spatula is for. Maybe just like smushing them down or something. I'm not sure. Okay, I feel better. It is what I was expecting. Whew. That was good. I have an issue on my hand. And then the other thing I got is the Fat Boy Sea Salt Pomade. So this is dig it out and rub it between your hands. Apply to towel dried hair for a lightweight matte result. Apply to dry hair to create a beachy texture and separation throughout the end. So I've heard a lot of good things about the Fat Boy brand. Let's see. Ooh. Looks like this. Ooh. Just a pomade. It does have a little protective lid as well. Not too fragranced. Really enjoy that. I don't want too much fragrance in my product. So those are the two things for this edit sale. Like I said, I try not to go too crazy, but I highly suggest, looking into FabFitFun. I feel like it's really worth it. And with the customization, being able to pick things and just the continual things that they offer between an edit sale and there's another sale where you can do add-ons to your box and all kinds of stuff. So I just wanted to share that tidbit with you because I don't normally pick up things on the edit sale and wanted to kind of show you how that works. It's always in between boxes. So if you want to get a little extra something for Christmas presents or things like that, then you can. I hope you're all staying safe and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'd love to share content with you continually on different things that I'm finding in the makeup world and in life, and I hope you're all doing well. So I will see you next time, and thanks so much for joining. Thanks. Bye. Why do I always do that? Whatever. Bye, guys.